Some people call the Great Lakes inland seas, massive bodies of water that make Canada and the United States powerhouses when it comes to fresh water. But what if I told you that Canada was once home to a lake that made the Great Lakes look tiny? Meet Glacial Lake McConell, a prehistoric mega lake that existed for over 3,000 years in what's now known as Canada's Northwest Territories and parts of Nunavut, as well as Alberta. This beast stretched across almost all of the Northwest Territories, held back by a wall of retreating ice on one side and rolling hills on the other. This is a body of water that dwarfed any other lake we have here in Canada and the United States. During the last glacial maximum, approximately 10 to 15,000 years ago, Canada was covered under the Laurentide ice sheet. However, as this ice sheet retreated, it left behind a natural dam in the central part of Canada, and all that meltwater that would normally flow towards the Hudson Bay was suddenly blocked by this mile-high wall of ice. The melting glaciers produced massive amounts of water. We're talking about millions of gallons, and because of this wall, it had nowhere to drain. And surrounded by higher ground on all other sides, all this water could do was pool into this enormous lake. The lake reached a maximum surface area of 210,000 square kilometers and a length of 1,100 kilometers, significantly longer than any modern freshwater lake. Around 8,000 years ago, that ice dam finally weakened and broke. That drainage must have been catastrophic. Today, you can still see the remains of Glacial Lake McConell in its daughter lakes, that being the Great Slave Lake, Great Bear Lake, and Lake Athabasca. So next time you're looking at any of these lakes, you're looking at the remnants of one of Earth's most incredible prehistoric features. And as always, if you like content like this, give this video a like. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.